lullaby, lullaby.
I thought I was singing to the
lullaby, lullaby. What
do you just feel say you do now?
And an intro song. Why they form slow motion like this? This guy, you know you're even sharp.
You don't just get sense. You leave your sense.
Mayowa, please, come back home. I'm not tired for this kind of witchcraft.
Me and Mayowa are the same coven we did.
The same waiting.
The same coven.
You see her yesterday?
Oh boy, the meeting yesterday tight. Now zonal meeting we do yesterday.
Olive. He go surprise you, go to sleep one night. The real coven people come. The real was say, come. We don't show. Oh yeah.
Forget. Wait till they not give me a winch when I spawn and now I want shop win.
Forget to. So the shop wish at old age.
This will not be matter of
the real wins, they all show up like this. Only you will not surprise.
No problem.
Okay, we welcome everybody come to the Paddy Paddy show, and thank you very much all of now tune in to come and watch us on the Tuesday morning. How everybody be? How on our sleep take go last night? We hope see everybody did very, very casual. I dey here with my girl, you know the.
I'm your girl today.
No, wait, now when you say my girl.
Wow. This was funny, because I don't hammer for life. Ogbolor don't they fans me.
Because
I don't hammer.
What's it hammer you?
Now wow.
Wait. Be clear on what the hammering you are talking about. Wait.
Is it based on where kinabuti? I'm all kinabutied up.
Forget it. Forget it.
Oh, yeah, take me picture. Say cheese.
Who they take a picture? Come, I see. I did tire forget. If they leave, you go to carry me or they will come
like this. Like this.
I beg, Jare, before all this unnecessary person, you all did the farms your own self.
Of course. If I don't love me, who will?
If I don't love me, who will? They get one word that they call them, but I no go talk.
Self-love.
Self-love. But there's a word for it.
Ogbolor, I refuse
Come on for yeah. They talk nonsense.
Get out.
They do anyhow. Please. All right, you don't go say welcome to them before you farms yourself.
All right, my people, now welcome. Now, Miss TB, now one and only girl, Olive. Not call me Olive, I no go answer you. Now Olive. All right, today na the Paddy Paddy show, and I still there here. They stand gidigba because Mayowa don't talk. Say she don't tire for this poor boy. She don't go find greener pastures. Until then, na me they in charge for here.
Nothing. If you not get mad for that side. Forget it. Me daddy. If you two do anyhow, Skimpy go sit down here tomorrow.
Skimpy.
No, not send anybody.
Skimpy.
Show more. I can just replace and replace you.
Irreplaceable.
Any which way.
I sing Beyonce now. Don't you ever for a second. How did they sing that? Get to think that you irreplaceable. All right, don't do. You don't tire. I bet I won't watch one video.
I beg, will they come back now? Before you disgrace yourself and the full family, will they come back now? Irreplaceable. You don't know.
Again, you're taking alcohol in my house? In my house. Baba, shut up! Again. Baba, shut up! Baba.
Now, still one of my best kits be that. One of my best for the full world.
You know, try them. Try with your pa.
No, all of us at a point in our life we go through this thing. Where your palego, they brush you for real life.
Good imagine.
For your mind, all the things in me, if you don't need that for my mind now, just you say you go hands up, your hands up. But for the real life, I'm going to collect slap. Take it on the slap.
All right.
Ladies and gentlemen. You say they're supposed to play the breaker. You understand? They call it the breaker. Ladies and gentlemen. Now we go enter Yan Dian.
All right, on top of this Paddy Paddy show where we did today, now the time for Yan. The Yan, where me with Ogbolor go the Yan, you waiting to happen for all around the world. Now today on top Yan the Yan, we dey talk say 28 inmates. Now we say people where they live for inside Ikoyi prison that they write jam. Not say that they live there because they not get apartments, now because they don't shoot bird, mama fly. Now they enter inside prison. Now on top of this matter, Ikoyi prison school talk say on Monday say at least 28 of his students go write jam. The jam go start on the 10th of March. He comes to talk, say, the principal can't talk, say, the inmates, say these people where they prison, say they don't they prepared. Some teachers, they come, they teach them. Say, even many of the people where they inside the prison don't show, say, they like continue with their education. Say even if say they don't thief or they don't do one thing, will make them end up for prison. You know me say that now they won't end their life. Say they won't continue with their education. He talks say before now 14 people 9 rights for last year 2014, but this year now 28 at least 1 right. Now we would sing everything now double from 14 to 28. The principal can talk say they don't conclude arrangements for the whole show. Say they don't prepare the students and everything. How you see this thing now?
Yeah, students for inside prison. Now good thing now. Now good thing. No, because on a good day for this country, you enter prison.
Oh boy.
You enter prison as a bad boy, yo.
As a chap guy.
As a chap guy, you enter prison. You can't come out hard pass as you enter.
Good, true.
So when you enter the prison, you enter and they say, okay, you bad. You can't come out, you can't worse for the Nigeria prison, my sister. So it good like this, so as they go there, they give them education. So when you enter inside prison, you come out. It's supposed to be rehabilitation. Now we say that go just reformat your brain.
Now we say you supposed to come out better than the way you
exactly.
Take go
but for this country, before now, oh blada yaba. Yeah, people they enter, they come and say, man, you see hardcore. Let's make going like this. Come out with muscle, tattoo, sweetie,
piercing.
Don't open. You can't come out worse. You can't say, I'd say they go reformat you. Instead, they go carry extra wings, joy body. So now good thing like this, and it makes sense.
The principal talk say out of the 28 people who won't write exam, say now only 10 computers they get. Say they don't get enough facilities where they will take educate these people. And they been saying a good project with this, now good thing they won't do. And they try to encourage well-meaning Nigerians out there. No matter what you get, if you contribute, some of them get plenty laptop, iPhone, Mac, this one, that one, and all they use more now donate.
Some of them like to they teach.
You understand? Some of them get talent to they teach. When I feel go prison, go teach. But if you they go there, my sister, if you be gay, may you carry police escorts, not find your way out there. This man never see women.
Not only that one, no. That one now one. That one now one. And that one, if you say you like to they teach, you can't go reach there. Can't go the form shouting for their head.
Hey.
If they brush you.
You will die there.
If they brush you. Say, you know, so we don't teach those ones who don't take. Ogbolor close here, 2 times 2, 14. You go tell them say you are 14. Now you go agree. Person
yes.
they teach you back. 14 close here.
1 year. Thank you, it's 14.
You have to have a patience for them.
Like now, as we dey on top the PADI PADI show, before we come on set, Ogbolor don't gist me say because of this kind thing, say in next salary, we our oga go pay for the months where they come so say him go use them take donate to the Ikoyi prison, and we dey very proud of him. So as our oga they listen to this show, oga, I bet me not pay Ogbolor salary. He don't volunteer his salary to Ikoyi prison inmates. May they take buy equipment.
All right. No, not here, oh. All right. Because when they pay salary, now Ogbolor my name, Abi. They wait on it.
Don't worry, they know.
Okay. This one, outside London, this will happen. One Korean brother they call Dr. Charles Hugster. He saying don't break world record. 95-year-old man don't break the world record of 200-meter weighing run. 95 years old.
That story I have to believe, my brother.
My sister, for the one they call the British Masters Championship on Saturday, now every happen.
Now the man
see the palais. Yeah, he shall say nothing they happen. I go shall do am. I know say I no fit pursue Jose Bolt o. I know say I no fit gap am o. But see before I die come up for this world, I go shall do something. So now the palais be that. See how the guy they tear. 95 years old man.
Hey.
You want try it? Palais say nothing they happen. Nothing they happen. We die there. If I die for track, I know say I die, they do my dream.
At least in them go to Guinness Book of Records.
Oh, blaga, yeah.
Hey.
I don't they reach, oh. I don't this one a lesson for all the grandmama, grandpapa, grandpale. Everybody for house. Where sit down.
Oh,
when never even reach 95
grandpa?
years old. My grandpa don't die since. 95 years old man. My grandma, she don't die since.
Now you kidding?
No. I wait till they worry you now. For that, they reach like 120. Oh, Pale! 200 meter. Oh, Palestine they go.
They go.
Palestine they go.
They go.
See, when he start the race, he get bow leg. As done the finish now. Now K-leg on the enter. But any which way, we go reach the final place. He don't reach. Oh, finally. Yeah, Bosa. Yeah.
See if fellow old people they come.
So Now they see the whole thing like this. See.
If you look this man youth, if you look back, you trace back to this man, you go they sure say this man live healthy lifestyle.
And now they say
when they young,
say they even roll. All those they are rolling when they roll for top water.
You see,
say they even roll that year. Saying get like 40 gold medals from rowing. So it is very important. I don't see if I like you don't reach. You want to come back to us. It is very important. Say every young person now. If you know say you want at 95, they are strong as this.
Maybe
you must involve yourself for exercise. Exercise, not be only clubbing, torchlighting, all these unnecessary things. Smoking, they smoke up and down.
They smoke away your destiny.
Smoke exhaust pipe, smoke center, showman, young. And the Baba.
All those people where they call, now people who say that they work with us, we need this advice.
Please,
I beg.
live a healthy lifestyle, please.
Shop vegetable, leave a basha way that they sell for gate.
Drink
Shop
water,
vegetable.
drink good water.
Make your body cajad.
Exercise yourself well, all right? See
And not
old
only
man
physical
now.
exercise, spiritual exercise as well.
They're not called spiritual for this one now. They tell you say the man now a spiritual person. So and you go do different kind of exercise, you know. Some
Be that one?
front stroke, back stroke, you know. You swim for water, swim for water.
Now papi water him be.
No, now you go they swim now, but I don't want to touch like swim.
Swim inside where?
For water now.
I don't know what they talk. Oh.
Down exercise for the whole body.
I don't know what they talk. Oh.
You are just a backslider. Get away.
You are a front slider.
All right, so.
I don't know who go break.
But for all the people that voted for us, all the old people for, see, an example be this. So I know why you say I be 65 years old. I not feel shop meat. Now your person will senior you like 25 years or 35.
Imagine.
Be this one. So you no get excuse. We don't tell you now. All this
Take your time, oh.
Nigerian grandparents.
Take it, oh.
We are going to talk what you want. Now mess be this, oh.
But Ogbolor, you reason our generation, how we go be when we don't become grandparents. You can't see Ogbolor go they Skype with him babe. I don't know whether I pray my wife still there alive. Your wife go there alive. You call the tweets. Tweeting with your girlfriend. I bet me will go break.
You just dry.
I dry.
You just talk now, just dry.
No,
go break, Jare. You talk this thing. When they worry you.
I go sabi dance when I don't old, sha.
Why they talk of old? Can we concentrate on the future and the present?
Oh yeah, speaking of the present, you get one year now.
But you say you want to sing.
Okay, I want to sing.
All right, so let's hear you sing. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, we present to you Olive singing for us her beautiful song to serenade our soul. Olive.
All right, this is not really a song. It's a special rendition. That is to show you for Ajabo children like us. When they tell us, may we recite our poem, we can do, Eeny, meeny, many, mo, father has a donkey. Donkey died, father died, eeny, meeny, many, mo. Where they call Akporo like Ogbolor. May you sing. You can do. Eeny, meeny, many, mo, father has a donkey. Donkey died, father died, oh, eeny, meeny, many, mo. Give me this. Eeny, meeny, many, mo, father has a donkey. Donkey died, oh, father died, oh, eeny, meeny, many, mo.
Eeny, many, mo.
Tell me now, say you know the trip for my skills.
You not local girl now. Not the local girl you be. You are a local somebody yourself. Now make you feel remember those kind of pattern.
I don't hear you this.
You sing the area pass the body no. You are using your own mouth take show your true save. You see your life.
I'm back to what I was saying.
Go do. When a Paco want to by force to turn to a body, it not they walk.
Calm down, Ogbolor, calm down.
Stories, please.
Back to the gist where I want this to now. So, Mona no say, God likes children well. Yesterday they talk say children are gift of God.
Jeez.
On top today gist now, you get one place where we say, Mama and Pikin, 25-year-old mama and 14 and small Pikin, whether now 14 hours after they get accident, they realize say the mama don't buy. They see them from one corner. They say the Pikin they inside the car for 14 hours and the car they inside river. And this Pikin are 18-month-old baby girl. the girl discovered. She was, the fisherman naim find the girl on Saturday.
The 18-month-old was discovered hanging upside down above water in her car seat by a fisherman on Saturday afternoon, police said. She was rushed to a hospital in Salt Lake City, where her condition has been upgraded from critical to stable. The toddler's 25-year-old mother, named as Lynn Grosbeck from Springville, was found dead in the driver's seat. Investigators believe the vehicle careered into the Spanish Fork River after striking a cement barrier at about 22:30 local time, 4:30 GMT, on Friday. A fisherman raised the alarm at 12:30 local time, 18:30 GMT, the next day, after he saw the girl dangling above the water as it flowed through the car. 3 police officers and 4 firefighters who entered the river to rescue the child were later treated in hospital for hypothermia. Police said they would not be releasing any further details unless the baby's condition changed. The girl's name was not released.
Yeah.
Now, wow.
Any which way, thank God say
At least Pikin no die.
Pikin not die. See, God love children very much.
God really love children. Go sure say Pikin go fall down from 3-story building, reach ground, nothing go do am. Person go fall from 1-story building, poof, he don't go.
It does finish, But any which way, thank God say no be the fool. Even though our hearts go to the
Mama will
die. But any which way, we thank God say the Pikin still die alive.
That Pikin go be great Pikin. I know they shock say she become president one day for future.
Amen. Amen. And the prayer we would like to pray. And the prayer we would like to pray. For this country, sometimes things don't work
Destiny
according to plan. But any which way, still based on Mama Pikin things. Now, sometimes some families, they get their own story. Every family has their own unique point of badness or goodness. Now, for this particular family, the papa, they always rape the mama.
Oh, Gwefia.
By force torchlighting with the mama. Now, the woman don't born several set of children them, but she no can know which of the Pikin them the man used by force torchlighting take born out of all of them. Because the job like saying that every time he try to get that kind of level of communicate with the wife, now by force they always use one. 6 children, the woman says she don't know which of them they use by force torchlighting take born because it be like saying all. Say, but now their 11-year-old daughter, when the man they beat join himself, the 11-year-old daughter can't write note to the papa.
Wait, the man they torchlight in 11-year-old.
No, the mama they always rape. Their own male. But they beat everybody for house. They say when he head just scatter like this, he go to scatter house, they beat, can't rape the male, beat children, do. Frustration. She can't write for a letter to her papa, say, all I've ever wanted is for you to love me. When you hit me, called me names, you made me feel worthless. I can still feel it now. Now be say some things what they do to Pikin them, if they register for head throughout. Anything what they do to Pikin now, years from now, it go affect the Pikin positively or negatively.
True.
So I beg all our parents when they wait for outside, they make sure they very, very careful. Now, they don't carry the man go prison for 16 years.
This one not be matter of prison alone.
16 years, then they can go
not be matter of
prison. They hang them.
No, not be matter of hanging.
But
the man not well. Apart from prison, this man need counseling. It gets some kind of people where we say, say because they overlook certain things. Some of them na mental, their brain don't damage.
Everybody not say not well now. This will not be too much talk. We will not say not well, but at the same time,
may you pay for a crime.
At the same time, yes, you have to pay for a crime. 16 years, fine, but maybe they don't look and say the reason why things low like 16. They say maybe not today okay for head.
This thing they good though, but say if now for we Nigeria now, some people go ignore say now your husband.
And women they lock up for you right now. They always suppress the pain. And now some people say now your husband it cannot be raped. Any by force kind of torchlighting is called a raping.
Domestic violence, now it be. And if you don't say you the experience that kind of help there for you.
Oh, leave the law.
You know that.
Oh, leave the law. Oh, leave the law.
Wait, advise people.
Wait, forget no PADI PADI, so don't call the form advice. You don't advise.
Not be you the form pass on top PADI PADI to every time they give
they no say
speech.
the thing bad. They don't say the guy nowhere. They don't put up for 16 years prison. Wait till pass that one. And you married for at the end. If you be married to a person, they by force torchlight you without your consent. Is wrong.
You know me say you will be woman because your husband not give you enough money. You can't say torchlight. Sorry to you.
Wait, make I ask you one question, sef. The days when the man self body no catch up and the woman self by force say we die here, I'm not gonna agree. turn now. Papa Julie, now. So you know call that one self. By force touchlight.
Now, which kind by force
No,
touchlight
because
is
they
that
put that
one?
for man head.
You know, say if we look our laws, the laws not provide say na woman say woman.
Ah, it's that one.
That
All we are saying, because I know what I'm
na
saying.
help you the help now.
They do help us to do it. It's not right on our own behalf. For sure to you. But as it be like this, the woman say she don't come yarn though. Say the reason why she come yarn like this now because say she want make sure say everybody waiting for outside there. Make you come out come they talk. Say now badness they happen like this. All right. So now all the gist will get for yarn the yarn be that anyone will not fit to contribute on top or now want know or get more information about just go at Wazobia PADI PADI on top Twitter. At Wazobia PADI PADI on top Twitter. Just go there.
No, not
knock your
Twitter,
gist for
not
there.
Twitter.
Twitter.
Waka like
This is not area now.
Waka like Okogan, go Twitter.
All right, so they come back for laugh, they laugh, all right? No, go anywhere. Now, see the PADI PADI show with
One love,
Ogbolor and the crazy girl Olive.
No, the normal girl.
I'm out there. You don't craze finish. A fun packaging for your craze.
I blame you. You're real. This one, if you want to give a caption now, when your village demons hear that you just won jackpot, they'll call they push themselves, they pack themselves like that, they call fine for Lagos.
I'd say now only Lagos get this kind of wahala. Easy. I'm proud to be a Lagosian. Forget it.
One love.
Yeah.
Respect.
Forget to for this country.
Respect.
We dey okay.
Respect.
They only say our wahala, no they package our wahala. Now be the thing, we know they package our wahala. Their own are the package and see their conductor, they wear hand glove,
they wear uniform.
But they still do the rubbish.
Exactly.
For this country, make all our Agbero just wear white and white. It go package. Make
white
our
and
boss say, make it just
forget
go
that in white
See
and white
level.
level.
But if for that train just now, make one person just mess.
Mess.
No do pictures again. Don't do time, don't go. Make one person just mess for that
To
distance.
die for.
Oh, Lord. And then go know say that train, people know where window day. From nowhere, escape route, you just come, you drop beans smell.
I beg.
finished.
I don't want to puke. Don't bring a sex.
All right. For do pictures, but we'll not get too much time on top of the level. Olive, any futuristic word for the everybody?
No futuristic word for the everybody. I don't tell you, I won't come over this. I won't go shower. I don't hungry. Hey, I'll give you a gist. That guy, those people say they won't go mass, they don't want to come back. I follow one gist today. I'll give you the gist tomorrow.
All right, well, on top the... man, I don't know.
I bet we just said
See,
thank you for joining us.
As you want to say be like this, ladies and gentlemen, you know, so we always talk some kind making sense things and every. Just talk about packaging. Please make sure you do everything possible to package yourself in a very, very good way. You understand me now? Because when people see you, now the first thing they see, now the first they appreciate before they go inside to know what's in the inside of you. So package yourself properly so whenever you go for outside, people can take you seriously. Thank you very much.
Okay.
On top of this particular level, ladies and gentlemen, just go Twitter again at Wazobia PADI PADI. Make sure reach there, drop your comment, tell us say you love us every.
Olive,
why they miss you. Make this witchcraft come on, don't play, it's a crazy somebody.
All right, my people. Una, thank you. I go see you tomorrow. Una no go anywhere. This now the PADI PADI show. That me be one and only Olive. Mwah. Mwah.
We love you. See you tomorrow.
You.
Bye-bye.
Oh yeah, now you go pick
The
paper.
day
Now me
is
pick
bright.